Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to send customer data with your Facebook purchase event. So which is important for your event mesh quality increase, and if you send this data your Facebook get optimized properly. And yeah, so I send this data according to, like you can see in here, I already sent my set up my another Facebook purchase event. I just click in here. I just click in here, so you can see all of this parameter customer information like email, first name, last name, external ID, phone number, and others necessary. Parameter. So I'm share with you my new project. This purchase event with how to send this data. So if you already set up purchase event, and share with you how to send also the enable also the customer information data Facebook for Facebook. So if you don't know how to set up Facebook purchase event, you just see my previous playlist where I show the Facebook event, how to create Facebook pixel and connect to Google Tag Manager, also view content card, view content, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase event, and view cart event, how to send. So now in this video, I show just use how to send the customer information for your Google, for your Facebook campaign event match quality increase, Facebook event manager event match quality increase. So yeah, so now when I purchase a product in my website, so you can see the I already connect Google Tag Manager preview mode with our website, and you can see in here, the purchase event is fire. Also the purchase event under the all of this necessary data, like right. So you have to pull this data, create a variable, and send this data Facebook. So if you don't know how to connect Google Tag Manager with Google Tag Manager preview mode, and how do you enable data layer in Shopify website and others website, you see my previous video. I already share how to you enable this data layer. So we have to first enable this data layer, and also all of this customer information you can see in here, first name, last name, email address. So however, now like I am go to in here the meta purchase event, click in here my purchase event tag, and then click in here the enable advanced matching, and then I am just clicking here the customer information data and then add parameter. So if I add in here parameter, I'm when I click in here parameter under, so you can see just choosing your city, county, also email, external ID, first name, and then last name, and also phone number, just a second, phone number, state, and the next one is zip code. So I sent this all of this data. So however, now I click in here city under, so I have to now create a variable. So if I click the city variable, just I'm clicking here the add new, and then add, and choosing here the data layer variable, because we pull this data from data layer, and then go to my data layer, and you see the city our customer under, right. So just I'm first copying here the city and paste in here and dot. So the customer array under the full data, and also the customer object under the full address array. So if I pull the data from here the city, so I have to first copy in here customer, and then address, and then dot. The next is city. The next is, yeah, now we just copy in here the city. So yeah, so we have to first copy in here customer, address, and city, and then save, and then write in here city and save. Okay, like I'm writing here DLV city. Yeah, so our city parameter is properly added. So now we create county parameter. So same process, click in here and new, and then just choose in here data layer, and then go to your data layer and copy customer, and copy also address, and dot address.
Hey, this is Abdul Kayium. I can help you grow your business through combining creativity, strategy, and digital channel personalized marketing and customer experience optimization. I am Google certified expert in Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Google Ads. Our service including e-commerce tracking, Facebook Pixel and Conversion API, Google Analytics for server-side tracking, Google Ads or Bing Ads conversion tracking, TikTok or Snapchat pixel integration, cookie consent banner implementation, and configuration all of this tag via Google Tag Manager, all with server-side tracking. I am happy to help you grow your business with my expertise. I work with clients from various industries such as e-commerce, real estate, education, and sales. If you have any question or would like work with me, feel free to send a message. Your satisfaction is my first priority.
Address then dot. Now in here the customer address. So I'm choosing here the address summary, address and address summary, and then I paste in here and then write in here customer address summary and then save. Sorry, I I need to create in here the county parameter. So I create in here the address parameter. So however, I just copy this parameter and paste in here the state under state under. So I am now in. I am clicking here the new. I have to create a county parameter. So click in here new data layer and then the same process. The first the customer and then dot the address under address under and then the dot and then here county, yeah, you can see in here county address under the county and then paste in here. So like this name is dlv data layer variable county, yeah, right. Save. And then now email, you have to create an email variable. So just click in here and new and the data layer variable and then in here the customer under, you can see customer under the email. So just customer and then dot and the email and paste. So dlv email. So dlv means data layer variable email. So we also connect this email in email under and then first name. This is easy, just choose in here data layer variable and then the customer and dot the first name and then like dlv first name. So I create a first name, now last name, just click in here add and then data layer, same process, and click in here the first customer and then paste in here customer and dot and the next choose in here the last name dot last name and then write in here like dlv last name and save it. So now you have to create a phone number variable. So same process, click in here the data layer variable and then choose in here the customer and paste in here the dot customer dot phone and then write in here dlv phone. dlv means data layer variable phone number like this. So now gif code. So the next last one, the gif code, we have to create the data layer and then the gif code you can see the address area under. So first copy in here the customer and dot and then address and paste in here address and dot and then gif code, so dlv gif code and then save in here. So our all of this necessary event parameter, I mean customer information with the purchase event setup. So you can see in here. So just save it, and we have to check it all of this parameter properly. Facebook even Facebook find or not find. So however, just save it, and then publish this setup. And now we have to preview. Just click in here, preview and buy a product in your website. So when I purchase a product from my website and you see the tag manager debugging your purchase event is fire. Also I click in here, you see the all of this advanced messaging, I mean customer data is sent properly, right?